Hey everybody, today we're going to be taking a look at this electric doorknob by Zincker. Let's check it out. So just a quick look, everything is packed real nice, safe, and secure. So inside the box we got the user's manual and install guide, a little cheat sheet if you want to call it that, a template for mounting our keys, some hardware, the striker, and then we've got the lock unit itself. So if we come in for a closer look, we've got an elegant yet robust design here. It's made of a zinc alloy body and has a really comfortable grip with some anti-slip contours that I can feel right here. And this is a doorknob for almost every room, and it's going to fit most doors. Installation is only going to take 5 minutes in general. And we've got a real nice keypad up front here, which gives you access management, meaning you can manage up to 50 different users with customizable passwords. And it has a battery life rating of 2 years with Duracell batteries. Let's get to installing it and see how it works. So step one of the install is going to be to remove the old handle and latch. So let's get to that first. You can easily do this with hand tools or power tools if you are so equipped. If you can't access the screws, some doors have a little latch right here that easily pulls the handle off. Do that on both sides. The latch might have 2 screws right here, and then you can pull it out. Pretty easy, right? For the door lock, we've got 1 screw right here you're going to remove. It's going to give you access to the battery tray. And that'll open up here, so this is where we're going to be able to insert our batteries. And then on the top and bottom here, you're going to have access to 2 Phillips head screws. It's going to allow us to pull the piece apart. And be careful as you separate the two, as there's a wire that goes through the shaft that's going to connect the electronic pad to the battery source. Now we can pull the latching part off, and then we can pull the latching piece off. Once again, being careful of the wire. And then we can just install this and then do everything in reverse. Attach the latch to the door, thread the wire through the little latch hole like we did when we took everything apart. Make sure that your numbers are facing the appropriate direction. And then for the inside of the door, you're going to thread the wire through once again, back down. And as you get towards the end, make sure the 2 holes are horizontal that are going to line up for the screws we're putting in next. And right before you put it on the shaft, make sure the 2 holes are horizontal. Put our 2 screws back in that we removed earlier. Always be mindful that you don't over tighten the screws and that you get it just perfect. So verify that the handle is working as is. Batteries are in. All we have to do is connect the final piece, the wire right here, and then seal it up. So the cheat sheet is super easy. I already changed the code from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, which is default, to 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's try it out. 1, 2, 3, 4. Check. It beeps. It opens. It unlocks. And then within a few seconds, the light goes off, and it's already locked, and you have to re-enter the code once again. So this thing was super easy to install, perfect for residential use, yes, but even for offices or businesses where you might need to give multiple people different codes, depending on whatever it is they do, you always have that opportunity to do that. So they do offer a variety of different styles, so you'll be able to find something that fits your personal taste. And on that note, if you're looking for something that's versatile and affordable, that's also child-proof and will allow you to program up to 50 different combo codes, then this is the thing that you're going to want to check out.